In this video, you'll learn how to change your payout method in eBay. By following these steps, you will successfully update how you receive funds from your sales. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once logged in, navigate to the seller dashboard. Look for the section labeled Payments or Payouts within your account settings. This area is essential for managing your payment methods as it displays your current payout method. Ensure that you have your new payment information readily available before proceeding. Next, find the option to edit or change your payout method. This option is typically located within the payment settings. Click on it to begin entering your new bank account or payment details. It is crucial to ensure the accuracy of the information you provide to avoid any delays in receiving payments. In some cases, eBay may require you to undergo identity verification for security reasons, so be prepared for that possibility. After entering the necessary details, look for the buttons labeled Save or Confirm. Click on one of these buttons to save your new payout method. At this stage, eBay may send you a verification request to confirm the changes made. Pay close attention to the instructions provided in the verification request, as following them is necessary to complete the update process. Once you have completed the verification, check the payments dashboard to verify that your new payout method has been successfully updated. This confirmation is important as it ensures that future payouts will be directed to your newly specified payment method. Keeping your payment settings current is vital for maintaining smooth and reliable transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.